Okay, this is our heater box that we can place 6 cartridges at once. We're going to use our 9320. I'm going to show you how we can replicate some hard to make beads on our actual panels today. As well, this box, a couple functions about it. You can hold up to 6 tubes, like I said, but you also have a setting of 65 to 90 degrees Celsius, right? And you can heat it up to 15 to 30 minutes depending on the product and the bead that you're doing. So now we're going to go ahead and replicate a textured bead look that you see in most of the newer vehicles today, like on the trunk floor, rear body panel, and show you how easy it is to achieve using our products. Using a flat stream nozzle right here, we're using 9320, which is being heated up, right? And it says right here on the heater box, which we showed you earlier, you're going to heat it 30 minutes at 65°C with the button set to on. And we have a setting on our gun between 8 to 15 bar pressure, and that's just a baseline to where we need to start to achieve what look that you're looking for, okay? So I'm just going to pop the top for cartridge, and we're going to use our flat stream nozzle. One thing to notice, our flat stream nozzle, these wings on the side of the nozzle are actually our fan spray. So if it's like this, up and down, that way, side to side. So these little tabs on the side indicate which way the product's going to come out. Make sure this is nice and secured, because if these are not tight, you're not going to get the pressure that you want, and you're not going to get the actual proper texture that you need. Right? Perfect. Okay. So our poster is recommended between 8 to 15 bar pressure. So we're going to start on the low side and see what results we get. All I'm doing is a quick bump. Okay. So procedure like this, you want to start on paper and end on paper to give you cleaner results, because when you actually apply, you just take your tape, your paper off, and you get a nice clean look. Okay. So starting off the panel about 1 inch or 2, pull trigger down. Right. That's the size bead I get. So what I want to do now, too small, bump her up. So it's going up to, say we're at 12. You notice the actual bead's going to get wider. Right? So but those small increments, as you rise up in pressure, you start to notice the actual bead is going to increase the way you want. So I would recommend put this down on cardboard or paper just to get a feel for what you're looking for. All right, so as you can see here, we were able to achieve the different size beads by upping the pressure or lowering it. So this is your lower pressure, medium, high, and it's just a good feel. So quicker you go, you can turn it up. Slower you go, turn it down, right? And I always recommend starting on paper, ending on paper, give you a cleaner line. Just like that. That is our rib bead texture for application.